Communication is a critical skill for any manager to master. All those emails, conference calls, presentations, team meetings, talking with colleagues, talking with customers, investors, all this stuff. I mean, in fact, the only time communication isn't relevant is when you're sat on your own and you think of an idea on your own that you don't tell anybody about for the rest of time. And that doesn't really happen very much. And of course, then we get home and we have husbands and wife and children and friend and partners. Our communication skills are essential there too. So how are we going to make sure that we as managers are brilliant communicators? Because it is no exaggeration to say the more successfully you communicate, the more successful you'll be.